Welcome to the Easy English Learning channel.
Today we learn the action verb for daily use with example. Teach. She's teaching. Pray. They are praying. Work. She's working. Throw. He is throwing the ball. Cry. He is crying. Climb. They are climbing. Sweep. She's sweeping the house. Paint. Kids are painting in the school. Swim. He is swimming in the pool. Pull. He is pulling. Wash. He is washing his hand. Cook. She's cooking dinner. Eat. He is eating breakfast. Sing. She is singing a song. Drink. He is drinking water. Travel. They are traveling in the car. Type. She is typing. Write. He is writing. Play. They are playing in the park. Dance. They are dancing.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TeenTube for more fun-filled educational videos.